You want to achieve 3 simple things when delivering your speech. First, you want your audience to hear your words. Second, you want your audience to focus on you without distractions. Finally, you want your audience to connect with you and your message. Our experience with nearly 500,000 speakers has helped us create 6 rules that you can follow that will help you achieve these goals. The first 3 rules will help your audience hear you. Rule 1. Speak slowly. Rule 2. Speak clearly. And Rule 3. Speak loudly enough that everyone in the room can hear you. The next rules ensure your audience can focus on you without distractions. Rule 4. You need to stand still. And Rule 5. Keep a relaxed and open posture. Your final rule helps to ensure that your audience connect with you and your message. Rule 6. You need to look at the whole audience, moving your focus to different areas. Eye contact keeps your audience focused and connected to you. And that's 6.